In this video, I will be showing you how to set viewer and editor permissions in Gamma AI. Let's get started. I'm starting on my Gamma dashboard, and I'll select this presentation titled The Three Pillars of 2026 AI. Once it opens, I'll head over to the top right corner and click the Share button. First, let's look at the Anyone with the Link option. It's currently set to No Access, but I can click this dropdown and change it to Edit. This allows anyone with the URL to view and edit the project. If I prefer, I can switch it to View to restrict them to just watching. Next, I'll move down to Workspace Members. I can change their access by clicking the dropdown and selecting Edit. This ensures my team has the right permissions to collaborate. To invite someone specific, I'll type their email into the search bar. Before finishing, I'll click the permission level next to their name and set it to View. Finally, I'll click the blue Add button. The invitation is sent, and I can now see the new user listed with their assigned role. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to set viewer and editor permissions in Gamma AI. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.